Hey y'all, how's everybody doing? Well, guess what? I'm going to be doing, I think, what will be a last unboxing for a very long time for Louis Vuittons. As y'all know, I sent back one of them just because I feel like it was way overpriced for what I got and what I would use it for, and that the quality wasn't there. So I did end up keeping my Speedy Bandolier 30 in the bean, and the reason I kept it is because even though the unboxing experience wasn't that great, like the box wasn't that nice from the store, the size fooled me. This is the right size. I have used the stew out of this. I mean, as you can see, I have my little clover sack organizer in there, and I have used the stew out of this. And with my husband's knee replacement surgery, I had to carry a purse that was durable everywhere. And that's the whole point of Speedy's, that durable canvas, coated canvas with a leather trim. So that has turned out to be a very good investment after all. So I'm glad I got that. And so that's the update on that. But there was one I've been looking for and looking for and looking for and waiting and waiting and waiting and waiting. And it finally showed up. Not a new one. And so it's about more than half off what I got this for. So just know that part. But it came with a bag. So that right there, the store didn't even send me a bag, but Tradesy did. And that's where I got this one. This is from Tradesy. And Tradesy has an authentication service. And so, in other words, they make sure that they're real. They have authenticators that check them for being authentic. So, look at the difference in Tradesy, the experience from Tradesy, and the one from the Louis Vuitton store. Look at the way this one's boxed. Now, that's what I expected. Look how nicely that is done. How nice and tight the ribbon is. How nicely it's tied. One of you told me that this actually is, this color is a throwback to their original packaging. So thank you for information. I love when you guys know about this. And because I thought it was kind of like a copy of Hermes. It's like, no, the brown was actually a tentative thing. This original color is actually it's their coloring. So that's good to know. So as you can see, I have not opened this. Now the thing about Tradesy is, you agree to I mean, it tells you whether or not you have the option for return. This one has the option for return, and usually if it has an option for return, that means it's a pretty good piece, because okay, so inside here, I think it's just if you want to turn around and gift this, they give you a blank card. Yeah, that's just blank. That's in here, so you can take that out. If you want to gift it, you can write something in there, put it back in easily, and then retie it. So whoever did this at Tracy did a good job of tying the bow. I just think it was nice and taut, and it looked like it was done with care versus when I got the Speedy Bandolier. The bottom line is, I love the Damier Ebene print. I think it's really great, especially for fall. It's really good for all year, but it is dark, and I really like the monogram the best. And this is the Pochette Metis Reverse Monogram, and we will see what is the quality. Okay, so let's just open it, because I can't see it when people talk too long about it. Okay, first of all, you can see in here that they have put the card. It has, okay, I want to tell y'all this. I know y'all want to see the purse, but I want to tell y'all this, because if you trade with Tradesy, I want you to know what you get. This has the original receipt, what store it was bought at. This is bought in Las Vegas. I don't know if that means anything, so if any of you go, oh, well, those are fakes. They have an authentication service. They're known for being authentic, so I believe that they are. I just do. This was new with, actually I think it said lightly loved, but it, I'll have to go back and check the actual rating on this product. But see how they got the sticker on there? I think that's because somebody picked it, like literally in the pick line picked it. I'm going to put that on the back of my little card so I don't lose that. Because if I ever want to resell it, now I have the shopping bag, the dust bag, the original box, and the original receipt. Why does that matter? It gives you more money if you ever want to resell it. Yeah. It's more authentic. So let's look. And here it is. I'm letting you see it before I see it. Okay, so what's the shape it's in? Let's look at the edges right away. I see no wear and tear at all. At all. People talk about how they see a little bit of, I forgot what it's called, not cracking. Cracking? No. On this end piece that's black. Sometimes that wears. What I really love about the dual colors of this, the reverse monogram, which reverse just means that this is the regular monogram and they reverse the colors on part of the bag. But also instead of vachetta leather, it's black leather, and so the wear doesn't show. Your oil, body oils doesn't show. Now, I don't mind that anyway, but one of the things I love about the bag, it's a good medium size, and so you can see the difference between the two. There's the difference in the size. It's definitely smaller, so it's going to have less room, and therefore I cannot use my organizer to switch from that bag to this bag. But what you might want to do, I just have this, this is just a little matching set that I got at Ulta, so you just want to have a matching set to where you can have a few different sizes, maybe for your not toiletries, your makeup, some medicinal things like any kind of like Band-Aids and Tylenol, all that kind of stuff. All the little things that I do, flosses and all that kind of stuff. You can put that in there, or I think even this big one would fit in there, but it's almost the size of the bag, so I probably won't use the big one. I'll probably use the two little ones. What I love about this is this back zipper. It's very substantial. It's very smooth acting. That's where my phone will go, which fits perfect, because y'all know I have the monogram of this. But I loved the coloring of the reverse monogram, especially with what I have on. See this kind of cinnamony tone that's in this top? Can you see it right there? I thought that would be so pretty. Ginger is what that kind of looks like, not cinnamon. So let's see how well does it close. The black trim is on the handle, which you can put your hand under and carry it like a clutch like that, or you can grab it like that, or if you really want to pull it up, you can wear it over the wrist. I wouldn't really do that. I think that'll stretch that out, and that's not the point of it. I think it's more just to be able to grab it this way once you have the shoulder strap on. It's got 3 sections. Obviously, this back one, I would just put my phone in there. That's all I probably am going to do. And then the other black trim is this little tab right there. Oh, that's the little plastic piece. It's still on there. Wow. I feel like that is such a good deal because I did not pay close to full price for this. So let's see if it catches good. And then both of these don't click together. That's to give yourself pressure. This is the one that clicks. And it opens easily. Does it close easily? Yes. Because some people have trouble with that. Okay, so inside it's got the reverse still. I'm trying to see. The concept of Louis Vuitton is that it's made with one piece. So if you go from here, it should wrap all the way around to here. Now, obviously, that's not the case because it's a different leather. I mean, coated canvas. But it's still made the same way, and I like that. But it is the same on the inside. And then, of course, you have the shoulder strap, and it is in the, yes, both sides have the reverse, which is what I wanted. That's what I loved. Oh, and inside is the SKU card for scanning, like you would have in a store, and the care card. Okay, so you have a pocket back here. This is like where I'll keep keys and any papers that I have to go over with. This will be my main section, that kind of big bag, the little makeup bag that I'll put just makeup. What am I trying to think that I mostly have? Kind of toiletries type stuff. Not toiletries, like hairspray, my face spray. And then in the front is where I will probably keep my wallet. So I am super excited about this. This is exactly what I want. Here's the thing that I like about this. It's a good medium-sized bag. It's not a catch-all to the Speedy. Now, that like the Speedy is, it's just like a big dark hole. And that's the only thing. The Speedy is a bowling bag. So you know what you're getting when you get it. What does that mean? It is a big dark hole, y'all. I'm going to put all this stuff back in the box, and we'll put the box up on a shelf to look pretty somewhere. And I'm going to make sure I have all my papers. In fact, I'm going to stick those in there too. Y'all, this is in my bow. And my other little card, where's the little card that came with it? There it is. Much better opening experience, and this is from Tradesy, not the original store. Can I tell you? I'm going to put this back in its bag because it actually came with one. So I just am very, very impressed. I don't know why the original store would not have done that, y'all. That's what made me feel so much like, is this thing real? You know, because I'm not getting the opening experience that I have with this. And this is not even a Louis Vuitton store. This is an authenticated trader. Now, what Tradesy and stores like Tradesy do is they allow people to sell theirs to them. And then they authenticate it first. And then they also check the quality. I know y'all don't want to see me. You want to see the purse. They check the quality. Oh, I got to take the little plastic thing off there too. You know, lots of people say they don't take the little plastic cover on the gold off because they want to save it from getting scratched. But then I mean, let's face it, y'all, you're walking around with a little plastic thing on. So I'm thinking, you know, I get it. I don't want it to be scratched either, but this is life. It's going to get scratched. So, yeah, I accept that full on. Matter of fact, I just got my first fingerprint on it. There is no zipper bag in here. There is a tag, made in the USA of imported materials. That must be this backing because it does have the Louis Vuitton Paris, but it was made in the USA. So I am not a Louis Vuitton specialist, so those of you who know what that means, like, is that bad or good? And also, one of y'all told me where to find the authentication number, and I'm not sure they do that in these. I'm not feeling any other tag than that one that says made in the USA. And I don't think that has a number on the back of it. No, because it's material. So I do not see. Oh wait, I feel something.